I'm offering a club called Judy's Junkies. And the purpose of the club originally was for people that had taken one of my Judy Quiltworks classes to get together with other people and have some time to finish their projects and not just have them sitting there as a UFO at home. The club has kind of expanded a bit, so there's people coming to it that have taken my Jacqueline Dijon classes or some of my other classes, and they just want to come and work together with people with similar interests. So if you want to come and get inspired, because I think that's the best part of the club, is seeing what other people are doing. And we also spend a lot of time talking and visiting, and we do some sewing. No, we actually try and do a fair amount of sewing each month. So the club runs, it is a club, not a class. The club runs from 9:30 to 3:30, one Sunday a month. It's usually on the second or the third Sunday, but it varies because of long weekends and that. So you just have to check the calendar. It's just a great way to come and finish your projects and get inspired by other people and have a good time. I look forward to seeing you.